You are watching Xavi's Brix. Brix.
Today I'm going to be building this Nickelodeon Chum bucket kit. Now I'm going to get scissors to open it. And now I opened it. Now I'm taking out the instructions in the bags and stickers. And why is he just in one bag? Just make this. Now I'm gonna open all the bags. Now I'm going to start building the hand. Wait, no, the house. The bucket, actually. No, it looks weird on the box. The pieces look different. Now I'm going to move the box, the instructions, and pieces. Now I'm going to start building the top. Now, after it, and by the way, this is Franklin's Chum bucket. And it should have chum in it, which it doesn't. Now I'm going to start building this things that are gonna hold this. You know those little handles on a bucket? And there's a hand grabbing onto the bucket because there's a hole in the bucket. Now I'm done with that. Now I'm going to start making the fist, which is glue. Now I'm going to make the thing in the middle of the hand. Now I'm going to make the fingers. Well, I'm making the palm right now. Now I'm making the fingers. Yeah. Now I'm going to make even more fingers and attach them to it. Done with that. Now it's time for the fingers. Again. And again. Okay. Now I'm going to make the thumb. All the rest. Now I'm going to attach that to it. Now time for the fingers. First up is the pinky, which is hard to do. It's so complicated, man. Now it's almost done. Yep, now I gotta do the ring finger. Now it's almost done. It's done now. Now time for the pointer finger. Wait, no, the middle finger. And done. Now it's time for the pointer finger. Yep, and it's almost done. Yep, I finished the hand. Now I gotta make it to a fist and connect that. Now we have to put the sticker on her, the robot, and there we go. We got both of them. Now I'm gonna put all the rest of the stickers on, which I wish they had instructions to tell you where they go, because you have to look at the box. And I think I know why. It's not from the Lego brand. Nickelodeon made it. So I think you have to watch all of the episodes to see inside his house to know where the stickers go. And here it is. Don't forget to like and subscribe.